What's up, YouTube? How are all you fine people doing today? So, I wanted to make a video. You know, we put the shorty headers on the truck, and man, does this thing sound good. The paint's lasting pretty good on it too. But what we wanted to make a video on was these bolts right here. We're putting these proform header bolts on the truck. So these are wedge locking, and the bolts we have on there, see if we can get it. Yeah, they are stainless steel, but over the last 3 or 4 weeks, I've had to tighten them probably once every couple of days. They're working their way out. So these are the wedge locking. There just went one on the ground. They're supposed to lock. Well, you can see them. They're supposed to grab on to the header and lock. It also says that oil, so anybody with leaky engine, oil actually improves the performance. And as you've seen in a previous video, the gaskets that they had sent with the headers were not up to par. We did put them in because we wanted these headers on, get this exhaust done. We got the rim flex exhaust gaskets, so we don't have no exhaust leaks except for when these bolts back out, then you can hear it. Made of solid graphite, good up to 3,000 degrees. I don't think we get that hot. No retorquing required, and best of all, made in the USA. This is the back of the package. Yeah, I told you. That's my beautiful wife right there. Out here taking the puppy out. See the puppy? That's the puppy. Yeah, I got you too. Getting told for that. Well, we're gonna put these in, get it done today. It's late. We need to get it done. The boy's birthday is tomorrow, and we gotta drive this thing. So we're gonna pop them out, pop the new ones in, and I will give you an update on. Didn't show this, so there we go. We'll get these in. Hopefully I don't have to retorque, or not retorque, but retighten these bolts at all, because it's getting to be a pain. And on one of them, so many times, it's a 10. Let's turn on the light for y'all. That one right there, you can see, tighten it so many times that its head is getting a little rounded. The rest of them ain't. But that's one thing I found with these stainless steel fasteners, is that after so many times of touching on it, head likes to round off. These are 3/8 by 1 inch long. Now on this, it does say the 1 inch is recommended for aluminum heads. We definitely do not have aluminum heads, But with the thickness of the header flange, you see it's got some thickness to it. I think 1/8 was the way to go. So I'm gonna hop off here. I am going to get this done, and I will give you an update later. Till then, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think. Thank you.